planet of the apes. ये नई राइड आई है अभी Genting Skyworld में.
Friends, we need your help. It's hard to remember what life was like before. We ate in restaurants, went to the theater, wasted time on the internet, and then the virus. Nearly every human on the planet wiped out in less than a year. Those of us who survived wondered how lucky we really were. Life became war, famine, struggle. But something else happened. The apes, the virus made them smarter. They began to learn and speak, and they found a leader, Caesar. Away from the city, he led his apes in peace. But at our most desperate hour, he helped us. We might have made it. We might have lived together in peace, but hate and fear are powerful things. War broke out between apes and humans. Caesar and I tried our best to stop the fighting. All Caesar wants is to get his apes back to the woods, to be left alone. But he may not get that chance. An armed force is entering the city. They call themselves the Alpha and Omega, and they're coming to wipe out all of the apes. We've got to warn Caesar, and we need your help. We know the apes are nearby. Quickly, take the hovercraft and help me search the warehouses. Tell Caesar to get out before the invasion begins. Malcolm out.
Please remain seated with your hands and arms inside the hovercraft at all times.
Wait, what was that noise? The apes must be near. Watch your backs and keep quiet. Any sign of Caesar? Quiet.
Humans betrayed apes. Apes showed mercy. Now you're here to finish us off. Apes together, strong.
Caesar, wait! These are friends. Caesar, they are not the enemy. That's the enemy. Get out of here. Go! Keep moving. The soldiers have found us. Go right. Stay to the left and go through that garage.
Omega! Showtime, Alphas! And I want it clear! I want it clean! Want it raised to the ground! And get those damn dirty apes! And then there's Alphas too!
apes and humans will be friends one day. Now, best you go.
I said expedition thin rice.
Kids! Fresh tracks! Looks like they went into this ice cabin.
Great, follow me. Okay, this is a dead end. We have to turn back.
Nobody move. We're on dangerously.
Good night.
Welcome to Geotopia. Open your chakras to the healing powers of Kalangu Lama.
A little help here? I got a crystal poking me in the chakra.
Greetings! Bring me your tortured souls that you may be infused with the positive energy of the crystals. No, don't touch that, you nincompoop! Oops! You ruined everything! Again!
Kids! We're here to save you. Try not to panic.
One sloth did all this?
Destruction is his specialty. Let's just get the kids and go.
I'll save us.
See, I would do that. No, if you slug it.
You're gonna fall.
Festival call!
Oh, great. Oh, wow, okay. Don't touch the lava.
It's hot. Very, very hot.
This is how it all ends.
We're almost to the ocean. Okay, looks like we all made it.
Yeah, we rescued the kids. Now who's gonna rescue us?
Hey, did somebody call for a rescue?
This isn't good.
Hang on tight.
Kids, this is no time to play around.
Have I mentioned I hate water?
Guys, prepare for takeoff.
On the new man. Now that's more like
Camp police said.
Tied up again. This is how my kids don't really love me.
We have a lesson for you today, kids. The day camp needs to provide safe activities that are fun for the kids.
Every kid loves. Oh, I know. Is it, Yada?